Welcome to Webydo. Let's get started on creating your first website. The first step is to log in or sign up for the platform. Simply enter your email and password, then click on Login. To create a new website, click on New Website. You'll find your options, themes, layouts, store, and blank canvas. Click on Start Crafting to enter the studio. Now, let's take a moment to explore the studio interface. On the right side, you'll see three options: Layers, Design, and Properties. In the top bar, you'll find various options like Edit Pages, Our Store, Blog, Responsive, and more. On the left, you'll discover all the website features. For instance, if you wish to add a shape, simply drag and drop it onto the canvas. You can edit it in any way you like, move it around, resize it, and more. To add a section, click here. You can customize its color by clicking on Fill and choosing any color you prefer. Adding text is easy. You have three options: text, with both the title and content, content only, or just the title. You can also style the text with different fonts, colors, and more. Simply double-click and select what you'd like to change. Use the color palette to pick your desired color. Resize and reposition the text as needed. Now let's insert an image. You can choose between image or image section. If you want to place an image behind text that spans the entire screen width, use Image section. To upload an image, click Upload and select the image you want. The image will be uploaded in its original size and properties. To adjust its size, go to Design and make the necessary edits. You can then drag and drop the image anywhere you'd like on the canvas. And that's how you get started with Webydo.